Welcome back to PolicyX.com. Today, we shall talk about Cholamandalam Health Insurance. देखते हैं चोलामंडलम के की फीचर्स के बारे में. Number 1. Network Hospital. The company offers cashless hospitalization benefits. It has partnerships with more than 7,240 network hospitals across India, जहां पर आप कैशलेस हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन को अवेल कर सकते हैं. Number 2. Claim Support Ratio. Claim Support Ratio is a useful parameter that shows the number of claims settled by the company during the last 3 months. It actually helps you to analyze the company's claim settling ability. In the case of Cholamandalam, the company has an average claim support ratio of 91.47%. Number 3. Solvency Ratio. Not only it helps in measuring the ability of the company to meet the long-term debt obligations, but it also helps you to understand the background of the insurance provider. As per IRDAI, all insurance companies in India are obliged to maintain a minimum solvency ratio of 1.5. At present, Cholamandalam has a solvency ratio of 1.56, which matches the criteria. अब देखते हैं समरी जो कि अब आपकी स्क्रीन पर फ्लैश करेगी. Network Hospital 7,240 plus, solvency ratio 1.56, claim support within a period of 3 months 91.47%, annual gross premium 2019 to 2020 316.99 crore. अब देखते हैं चोलामंडलम के एक्सक्लूजन्स के बारे में. जितना जरूरी आपके लिए ये समझना है कि आपके प्लान में क्या इंक्लूड होगा, उतना ही जरूरी ये भी समझना है कि आपके प्लान में क्या इंक्लूड नहीं होगा. Expenses related to any pre-existing ailment, vaccination unless forming a part of post-animal bite treatment, any type of suicidal or intentional attempt to harm or injure self in senses or an insane condition, any treatment arising due to a terrorist or a nuclear attack, any injury that is caused while playing a harmful or an adventurous sport, weight control program, therapy, surgery like cosmetic surgeries, dental surgeries and plastic surgeries. अब समझते हैं क्लेम प्रोसेस के बारे में. इंश्योरेंस लेने का बेसिक पर्पस होता है कि टाइम पर आपका क्लेम सेटल हो जाए. Therefore, you should be very clear with the 2 ways of claim process. Number 1, cashless claim. Number 2, reimbursement claim. कैशलेस क्लेम तब एप्लीकेबल होता है जब आप कंपनी के अफिलिएटेड नेटवर्क हॉस्पिटल में अपना इलाज करवा रहे हैं. रीइंबर्समेंट क्लेम तब एप्लीकेबल होता है जब आप अपना इलाज एक नॉन नेटवर्क हॉस्पिटल में करवा रहे हैं. प्लीज फॉलो द स्टेप्स इन केस यूर ऑप्टिंग फॉर कैशलेस क्लेम. The policyholder does not have to pay the bill if he or she is admitted to a network hospital associated with Chola. Just report at the TPA desk of the hospital along with the Chola MS Health card, a photo ID and report. You will be required to complete the pre-authorization form. The letter will then be sent to the claim management team of the company for authorization and verification. If the verification is successful, the company will settle the bills with the hospital. Let us now understand the steps which need to be followed if you're opting for a reimbursement claim. The policyholder has to pay the bills and contact Chola. You have to submit all the required documents to the company. Verification will be done by the company as per the norms and the policies. If everything is in place and order, Chola will transfer the amount to the registered bank account. Let us now take a look at the documents which are required for filing a health insurance policy claim. ध्यान रखिएगा कि सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स बहुत ज़रूरी हैं. Claim form, duly filled and signed. Prescription of a doctor advising the admission. Discharge card issued by the hospital. Final hospital bill and payment receipt. Medical investigation report. Medicine bills with the supporting prescription. Invoice or sticker for implant if used in the surgery. Any other bill or document related to the treatment. Medico-legal certificate or FIR in case of road traffic accident. Cancel check and any other document requested by the company. Let us now take a look at the documents which are required for filing a critical care policy claim. Claim form duly filled and signed. All supporting reports to prove the diagnosis of the critical illness. Any kind of report like pathological, imaging or any other relevant report. Detailed attending physician's report mentioning the past medical and surgical history of the patient with duration and also the confirmation of the diagnosis is important. First consultation paper. Well, the contact details of the company will now flash on your screen with the registered office address, customer care service, and the email ID. Please note it down in case you need it. Thank you for hearing out to us. That was all about Cholamandalam Health Insurance. Stay tuned with policyx.com for more such interactive and inquisitive content. उम्मीद है आप सब सुरक्षित होंगे. अपना ध्यान रखिए, वैक्सीनेशन लीजिए. Stay safe and do not forget to secure your future. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.